welcome to SEMA 2022 and the Wheel Tire Council Reception.
I really appreciate having you guys here. You guys are feet on the street, so we need to hear what you're thinking, what we can do to help.
Hopefully we can bring some new things to help grow the WTC. The reason we want to grow it is so that we can provide more benefits for all of you. In the meantime, thanks for being here at your SEMA show. Ward's working hard on your behalf, and have a great show.
I think that volunteering within WTC is just vitally important. We are the ones who know our segment of the industry, so we are the ones who need to save it and protect it and grow it.
And I don't think that there is another entity out there that actually supports the needs of the aftermarket in the wheel and tire space.
I have gained so much from the mentoring from my colleagues, and now I'm in a position trying to pass that along.
I've met what I hope to be lifelong friends, really great connections. For me personally, it's added a lot of value to my professional career.
I thought people walking around the SEMA show for 20 years with a plastic name tag was some type of paid responsibility, and it's just nothing more than people just giving their time. If we're in this industry, we're blessed, and we're blessed to be able to bless other people. So take your time and get involved and bless other people.